Discover the new generation of blind cleaning with the Granbo Ultrasonic Cleaning Machine, designed to revolutionize the way you maintain your blinds. This state-of-the-art equipment is tailored to the needs of professional blind cleaning services, offering a mechanical control panel for reliable operation, multi-mode ultrasonic timing to suit various cleaning durations, and a heating function that can be adjusted from room temperature to 90 degrees Celsius. For added safety and reliability, it features over-temperature and short-circuit protection. Customization is at the core of this machine, with the cleaning tank available in sizes ranging from 1 to 3 meters or longer, allowing for flexible adaptation to different blind sizes. The highlight of this advanced cleaner is the choice between 28 kHz or 40 kHz ultrasonic frequency, harnessing industrial-grade, high-quality ultrasonic transducers for superior cleaning performance. An optional filtration and recirculation system can be added for a more efficient and thorough cleaning process. Positioned as a professional-grade ultrasonic cleaning solution for blinds, the Granbo machine has been a trusted choice in the international market for its durability and consistent performance. Join us in this video to explore how the Granbo Ultrasonic Cleaning Machine can streamline your blind cleaning operations and set a new standard in cleanliness and efficiency.